What makes a great story? The aha moment. Consider these story points. There's a doctor who has cancer patients. He advises older patients not to get surgery. He has difficulty convincing them surgery isn't necessary. Is that a story? No. It feels like this. There's a doctor who has cancer patients. He advises older patients not to get surgery. He has difficulty convincing them surgery isn't necessary. So what? What now? What if we did this? This is how Charles Duhigg, best-selling author of Supercommunicators, delivers this story. There's a doctor who has cancer patients. He advises older patients not to get surgery. He has difficulty convincing them surgery isn't necessary, but realizes the way he communicates to patients is the problem. Right there is the aha moment, the pivot point, where a character was one way before, a different way after. To complete the story, the doctor goes on to improve his communication, but everything hinges on this pivot point where everything changed. A story, after all, is not just a series of stuff characters do, it's a series of challenges put in the character's way so their perspective changes. That's what makes a character grow, that's what makes a character compelling. To level up your stories, be sure to include an aha moment or moment of transformed perspective so your character's journey is unforgettable.